Hey guys, it's Mr. Harris here. This is your warm-up video for the PYP. First thing that we're going to get started with, arms are out, my elbows are even with my shoulders, and I'm just going to gently tip my arms forward and back. We're going to go ahead and go for 12 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next, keeping those arms in that position, again, elbows even with the shoulders, you're going to bring those arms together and pull them way back. We're going for 12 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Go ahead and relax those arms. Next, we are going to work on loosening up our upper and lower back. We're going to put our hands on our shoulders and just rotate both directions. Notice that my feet are not moving. My feet are planted firmly on the ground. And I'm going to keep the toes pointed forwards. Rotate all the way around. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we're only doing 6 because then we're just going to move those hands to the hips and do the same thing in order to get our lower back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good. Next for our warm-up, we're going to take our right hand and touch our left foot. We're just going to step forward with that left foot a little bit, reach down, touch that foot, and stand back up. And we're going to take our left hand and touch our right foot. Notice that my arm is coming all the way across my body here, okay? If you're touching on the same side, then you're not doing it correctly. So make sure that you're reaching across that body. Left hand touches the right foot, right hand touches the left foot. We're going to go ahead and go for 12, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Very good job, guys. We only have a couple more stretches here before we get started with the workout. Now we're going to do something called toy soldiers. Again, it's the right hand to the left foot, but this time we're going to add one little skip in there, okay? So you're going to put that foot up, reach that right hand to the left foot, and you're going to skip when you touch. Skip when you touch. All right, we're going to go ahead and go for 12 reps of the toy soldiers. That's 6 on each side. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, next we have a stretch for our hip flexors. Your hip flexors are the muscles in the sides of your legs. It's very important that we get those activated, otherwise sometimes they can get a little bit sore. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down like we're taking a knee. Okay, my right knee is on the ground, my left foot is out forward. What I'm going to do is keep my back up nice and tall, nice and straight. I'm just slowly going to shift forward. Now if you're not feeling the stretch, sometimes what happens is we lean forward. Okay, when you lean forward, you're actually helping relax that muscle. What we want to do is elongate the muscle because we're stretching it. So go ahead and stay up nice and tall, chest to the air, and slowly lean forward. And we'll hold this for 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent job. Let's go ahead and switch and do the other side here. Again, keeping that chest nice and tall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now we're going to go ahead and stretch the insides of our legs with a stretch called butterfly stretch. You're going to put your feet together facing each other. Hands on those feet if you would like. The closer you can get your feet to your body, the harder this stretch is going to be. So if you're not feeling the stretch when your feet are out here, go ahead and pull those heels closer to your body. And then just ever so gently with your hands right here on your feet, you can press down on your calf muscles, which are in the back of the lower part of your leg, using your elbows. So as you're holding on here, you can press down very gently, and that's how we're going to stretch that. We're going to hold this one for 8 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. We only have one more stretch to do. We do have 2 sides to do for it though. This stretch, you are going to have one foot out straight. You're going to cross the other foot over. So right now my legs are crossed. My left foot is out straight. My right foot has crossed over. And a big mistake here is most people turn that direction because it seems natural, because my right foot is opening my hips this direction. However, I want you to turn the other direction. So that right foot comes over. You're going to turn the other direction. My left elbow is now on my right knee. I'm going to sit up nice and tall and face the opposite direction here. So we're going to hold this one for 8 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent job. Go ahead and switch it up. So now my right foot will be out straight. My left foot comes over, plants firmly on the ground. And remember, I'm going to rotate the opposite way. The biggest problem that I usually see when we do this stretch is most people stay like this. You want to sit up nice and tall, elongating that spine. Okay, we're creating space in that spine. Pull your head up towards the ceiling or the sky, depending on where you're doing this exercise, and rotate over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is the warm-up that I've designed, that I choose to do. However, some of us might feel maybe a little bit more sore in our back, or in our arms, or in our legs, or in different spots that we didn't stretch. I invite you, if you feel sore in a different spot that we didn't stretch, send me an email, ask your parents, find out how we can stretch that, and throw that into your stretch routine. This is the one that we are going to do for our class, but please, if you would like to add on to it, I highly encourage it. I hope you guys enjoyed the warm-up video. We'll see you for the next activity.